Hi everyone, it's Raquel of Raquel's Caribbean Cuisine, and today I am going to be making a pot of delicious Jamaican rice and peas. This was my mother's recipe and she was really old school, so you know how authentic and absolutely delicious this will be. This was cooked down in freshly blended coconut milk, a whole scotch bonnet pepper, fresh scallion and thyme. This is absolutely tasty. So let us begin. First, wash 1 cup or half a pound of red kidney beans. And yes, the name is rice and peas, but it's really kidney beans. After washing, add 2 cups of water along with 3 to 4 cloves of chopped garlic and put to boil. It's time to prepare the coconut milk. Here I have 1 large beautiful coconut. Remove from its shell and cut into small pieces. And it's best to prepare the coconut milk before putting the beans to boil. So here I am cutting the coconut into small pieces. And yes, the coconut milk in the can or the coconut bar can also be used. But we all know the real natural thing is always better. Now add the coconut pieces to your blender along with 3 to 4 cups of water and blend until smooth. Look at how rich that milk is. After blending, get a container, strain and squeeze all its juice out. You are now left with rich, fresh coconut milk. To the pot of boiling peas, add the coconut milk. Give that a few stir and cover. Pay special attention though, because within a few minutes of boiling, the coconut milk will foam all the way to the top. And if it is left unattended, it will spill all over. And we can't really afford to waste all of this coconut goodness. When it starts to foam, reduce the flames to low and stir until it settles. When the coconut milk has settled, make a few more stir and cover under low heat and allow the beans to cook for about 1 hour. After cooking for 1 hour, if you look closely, you will be able to see oil that have been produced from the coconut milk. That right there, people, is all the goodness. Not only is that rich in good, healthy, saturated fat, but it gives the pot a great flavor. Not an ounce of butter is needed. All natural ingredients. The beans are now fully cooked and it's time to season and flavor the pot. Now add 1 whole scotch bonnet pepper, some fresh scallion and thyme, some pimento peppers cut in half, some salt, some mixed seasoning or all-purpose seasoning. We want to season this pot so we could have a delicious pot of rice and peas. And give that a few stir. Now add some sugar. Yes, sugar. And it is totally optional, but for me it gives the pot a nice, beautiful, balanced flavor. Now stir all the ingredients in and cover and allow to cook for about 5 minutes so all the seasoning could flavor the pot. Okay, so we're almost finished. Now wash the rice under running water and this will remove any debris and the extra starch from the rice. Now add this to the pot. A full ingredient amount will be in the description box. Now mix thoroughly, making sure to incorporate everything. You don't want after the rice is finished cooking, half is red and half is white. Now cover, bring to a boil, then reduce the heat to low and allow to steam for about 20 to 25 minutes or until rice grains are fully cooked. After 20 minutes, look at that. Rice grains are nice and shelly. Absolutely beautiful. Remove the scallion and thyme from the pot and try not to burst the scotch bonnet pepper. This is perfectly done. But if you see where the rice grains are not fully cooked, just make a few stir, place some aluminum foil over the pot, cover and allow to steam some more. But this right here is ready. Absolutely beautiful. And guys, this can be eaten as is. It is that delicious. Jamaican rice and peas goes great with jerk chicken, baked chicken, curried goat, ackee and saltfish goes great with everything. If you haven't already subscribed, please don't forget to press the red subscription button. And thank you so much for watching.